Hello all, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how you can get your ribbon back in Outlook if for some odd reason it disappears, or how to just have it always stay. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Outlook. And sometimes you'll notice that when you click on Home, your ribbon will show for a second. Then this is called the ribbon. Kind of gives you all your options. In the olden days, you used to have the menus, and when you clicked on File, Edit, View, you get the drop-down menus and all that. Well, now they put it into a ribbon, and this is what it's called. But when you click off of it, you'll notice it disappears. And if you want to have your ribbon always stay on, all you have to do is click on one of these options, double-click, and it will always stay here. So then you can just go between here, and if you click off of it, it will stay. You won't have to go back every single time and click on Home or File or send/receive. So that is how you can get your ribbon to always show up no matter what. And if you've ever lost it, that's how you can get it back. Hopefully you enjoyed this tech tip. If you did, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe. It's totally free and supports the channel. And click that bell note icon to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.